Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. This week we're doing a small repair job at the beginning of the week, and then we're starting a bigger job at the end of the week. We're just getting the small one in before the big one. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour, which will be like 3/4 of a yard. But thanks for clicking on our video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.
It does now.
Show me. Just wanted to point out that that crack was already there before we started breaking.
See?
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. All right, guys, there it is. We poured at 7 in the morning, like a 3 slump, super dry because, well, it ain't a lot, so it was easy to work. We took care of everything. They got their conduit over here in. The reason for this was this great conduit was going to go through so they can run a better charger for their electric vehicles. So we cut that out. Shout out to our customer. Electricians weren't able to do that, but he went and did that yesterday evening and got it installed. Heck yeah, right on. Shout out to you, Mr. Customer. And got this taken care of. This was falling apart really bad. We cut this back, got that in there. We got our expansion here. I didn't do it there because I didn't want water just running into there really badly. Got our expansion in here, got it all knocked out. They're gonna clean this off and do a new coating and stuff. We tidied everything up. Thanks for sticking around, guys. This is job 1 of 2 this week, which will actually, the second one we're finishing next week. But thanks for clicking on our video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.